Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OnePlus Nord 6. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you're using USB-C headphones, then first clean the charging port because dust can block a lot of connection. That's why we have a port at the bottom right here. As you guys can see, my port is clean. You guys can see it through the light. And if your port isn't and you see some slight visible debris or dirt or anything, make sure to clean it up with a soft brush or an air compressor. Air compressor may be better here. And after that, what you guys want to do is restart the phone to refresh the system. So we're gonna press the power button, volume up button, and swipe up to restart it. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, if you're using an adapter to get your 3.5mm jack to work, then make sure you're using an original one or a certified adapter, because if you're using a cheap adapter, it can break down any second and you will have no idea when or why. Now, what you guys can do as a last resort for the wired headphones is update your phone software. So we're gonna go to settings and scroll all the way down until we see system and update. Click on software update right here and check for updates. Now, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version of the software so that you don't have any old glitches on your device. And of course, you can also, as a last resort, go to backup and reset phone, and click reset all settings. So this will basically get rid of everything, even the network settings, and you can do that to check if your headphones work. Now let's switch up to the Bluetooth headphones. First, what we want to do is we want to turn the Bluetooth off and on. So my Bluetooth is now enabled, and we're gonna switch it off and switch it on. Now what are we gonna do is, if we got our headphones paired, then we're simply going to unpair them and repair them again. So as you guys can see, my headphones are paired. We're gonna click on the information icon and click on unpair. As you guys can see, everything here just disappeared. So now we have to enter the pairing mode again. It depends on your headphones. I do have the latest AirPods 3 Pros. And now we're gonna click pair, and as you guys can see, now they're working. So what are we gonna do next is, if that did not help, make sure that you charge your headphones fully. Sometimes my AirPods don't like connecting when the case is lower than, I think it was 10 or 5%. That's why I would recommend charging the case and the headphones. And after that, make sure that you avoid any other device interference. So if your headphones are paired to two devices, then the second device may connect instead of your OnePlus. That's why we want to make sure that we avoid any other device interference here. And of course, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and scroll down to system and update again. Go to backup and reset, click on reset phone, and reset network and Bluetooth settings. Here you enter the password, click reset, and now our Wi-Fi network and every single Bluetooth device that we had connected is gone. So now you can repair everything back and everything will work. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.